Hello everyone, I'm Shyam from Team Abacus of English. Can you learn English with your entire family? Is that possible? Yes, it is. I would like to invite you to a 90-minute workshop on communicative English, and I want you to attend this workshop with your family. But Shyam, how is it possible? How can I learn English with my family members? Alright? Do you watch movies with your family members? Yes. Do you watch cricket matches with your family members? Yes. If that's the case, you can attend this workshop and learn English with your family members as well. You would definitely have this question. Shyam, I have a 10-year-old in my family, and I am a businessman. How would you teach English to both of us together? Let's keep it simple, my friend. English is a foreign language to every one of us. A kid and an adult are no different in this case. Here is a good example for that. Think of the word Beautiful. How do we pronounce this word? Beautiful. Beautiful is how every one of us pronounces this word. But when you try to learn the pronunciation of this word very deeply, you would understand that the word is not beautiful, but beautiful. It's beautiful. The letter T in this word shouldn't be pronounced T. It has to be pronounced D. Thereby it is beautiful. Do you get that? So there are lessons that are common to kids and adults in English. So what are we going to cover in this workshop? My friends, the modules in this book are going to be dealt in this workshop. This is a book that has been made by 6 experts. We have spent over 2 years to complete our research and compile this book. Is it possible to complete this entire book in 90 minutes? Definitely not. But we would be able to give you the approach that you should have towards English when you're working with your entire family. We can give you the nuances that you should be careful about when you try to develop your English. Click the link along with this video. Register for the workshop. I, along with my team, would be very happy to meet you. Best wishes. Thank you.